Northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, northwestern Melville County in northeastern Indiana, southwestern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Paris, or New Ocean, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goshen, Ligonier, Topeka, Millersburg, New Paris, Benton, Hunterdale, Waterford Mills, and Emma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, LaGrange, and Millville. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wabash County, Indiana, northwestern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Manchester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Manchester, Bibbis, and Bracken. For your prediction, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Indiana, Huntington, and Wabash. This is eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Klein, or 8 miles southeast of Fremont, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Norwalk, Fremont, Bellevue, Clyde, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Castalia, Mobile, Monroeville, Flat Rock, Louisville, Sandusky South, and Fairview Lanes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Sandusky, and Seneca.